Hi there, I'm Gary. Welcome to my channel. Welcome back if you've been here before today. Just wanted to give you a quick reminder that the offer on Airfix starter sets and gift sets has begun at Lidl. I went down to my local store today and all of them were in stock. Each one cost £6.99 and this is what you can choose from. First, an absolute classic, icon of the air. It's the Supermarine Spitfire in 1/72nd scale, the very kit that got me back into the hobby a few years back. And here I am now making videos about it. Then there's an icon of the ground forces, the Willis Jeep. This comes with both an airborne howitzer and a supply trailer in 1/72nd scale. Next, two famous tanks that duked it out towards the end of the war. The Sherman Firefly is a British development of the classic American Sherman, specifically designed to take on this, the Tiger I, pride of the Wehrmacht and one of the most formidable armoured vehicles in history. Both of these are the new style starter sets, so come with single-piece tracks to make building easier. And finally, new to the Lidl offer, this is a 1/72nd scale kit of the elegant Tiger Moth biplane. This is an aircraft belonging to the Tiger Club of Great Britain, in which I've actually flown. I'll certainly be trying to get my hands on one of these. I've heard many of you have already been in and picked up some of your favourites. I've got my Tiger Moth. I'm absolutely delighted. Did I ever tell you I've flown in this exact aircraft? I must have done. Anyway, do remember that because of the distribution network at Lidl, it might be a few days before these kits actually arrive in your local store. If they're not in there today, either ask one of the management or go back in a few days' time and it probably will be there then. I'll catch you up on the channel later with other news and offers as they appear. But in the meantime, thank you so very much for watching. Hope to see you again soon. Goodbye.